Level up your political organizing by seamlessly connecting NGP Van, your powerful voter database, with Zapier, unlocking a universe of automation and integration. In this quick tutorial, we're diving into how to integrate NGP Van EveryAction with Zapier. This means automating data syncing, streamlining your campaign management, and connecting NGP Van with all your favorite tools to optimize every step of your organizing efforts. First things first, head over to Zapier and click on Create Zap to start building your integration. For your trigger, search for and select NGP Van EveryAction. This is what will kick off your automated workflow. You'll then choose an event, like a new contact being added or an update to an existing contact, that you want Zapier to watch for. Next, you'll need to connect your NGP Van account to Zapier. Follow the prompts to authorize the connection, which usually involves logging into your NGP Van account through Zapier's secure portal. Now, let's set up your action. This is what you want Zapier to do when your NGP Van trigger event happens. Think about what makes sense for your workflow. Do you want new NGP Van contacts to automatically populate a Google Sheet? Or perhaps send a Slack message to your team when a new volunteer signs up? Select the application you want to connect with. This could be anything from a CRM like HubSpot to an email marketing tool like MailChimp, or even a project management app. Then, choose the specific action you want this app to perform. For example, creating a new row in a spreadsheet or sending an email. This crucial step is about mapping the data. You'll connect fields from NGP Van to the corresponding fields in your chosen action app. So, if a new contact is added in NGP Van, their first name from Van will go into the first name column of your Google Sheet. Be thorough here to ensure accurate data transfer. Before you turn on your Zap, always test it. Zapier will run a test to ensure that the data is flowing correctly between NGP Van and your chosen application. This is your chance to catch any mapping errors or unexpected behavior. And that's it. You've successfully connected NGP Van with Zapier. You can now create multiple Zaps to automate different aspects of your campaign, freeing up your time to focus on what truly matters: engaging with voters and building a winning campaign. Explore the possibilities and start automating today.